Hi everyone, my name is Francis Waithaka. I'm today going to cover the questions that you have sent regarding digital marketing. So allow me to share my screen so that we can look at some of the questions that have been sent. So I'll share the entire screen. So today, I'd like to cover the topic, how to boost visibility and increase conversions for an e-commerce website. And this is in response to a question that has been sent by one of the people who follow us online. So I don't need to do a lot of introduction. My name is Francis, as I have said. I've worked with more than 100 companies in East Africa, and I'm one of the team leaders at Digital for Africa with more than 21 years of experience in technology and new media. So this is the question that I'll be focusing on today. How can I drive traffic, increase visibility and conversions for my e-commerce website? This is a very common question that keeps on coming every day. I've been asked this question by two people this week, so I'll take some minutes to respond to this question comprehensively. So number one, in terms of e-commerce strategy, because this is a conversation on e-commerce, number one is to create blog articles to build trust and credibility for your website. Our experience has shown that even if you are in e-commerce, if you don't have content that is addressing the needs of your target audience, that is addressing the challenges and the issues that your target audience is facing, your website will not get enough organic traffic. So number one, to solve the issue of low traffic and low sales on your e-commerce website, be very strategic in creating content, in creating blog articles that can help you increase organic traffic for your website. Number two, create Facebook and Instagram ads to build brand awareness. We have seen this, for example, from a brand called Optica East Africa. They are doing a great job on Facebook and Instagram. They are constantly creating ads on Facebook and Instagram to create brand awareness. And there are no other better channels that are so effective at creating brand awareness than Facebook and Instagram. I would also encourage you to look at the Instagram Reels that are performing so well. Instagram Reels are very good because they are discovered easily by anyone on the internet, even if they don't follow your Instagram page. So, and look at Optica East Africa. I've been taking time to look at what they're doing. Currently, they're having more than 17 different types of ads that are running on different placements on Facebook and IG. Number three, create Google search ads to target people who are looking for the product that you sell. There are so many people who are online searching for a product that you sell. You can use a tool such as keyword.io or Google's keyword planner to find what products are people searching in your category. So Google ads are very, very effective because when I'm searching for something, when I'm searching for a laptop, it means my intent to purchase that product is very, very high compared to just targeting me because you know my age and location. So age and location are good, but not good enough. Google has something that even Facebook doesn't have, and it is called the search intent, the buying intent. The intention to purchase is much higher on Google search ads compared to other types of ads. So I'd encourage you to go for Google search ads and target people who are searching for the products that you sell. Now, look this, for example, this is a screenshot that I've just taken right now for Samsung phones and prices in Kenya. You can see all these are ads. And the Google search ads now allows you, and it picks some of the thumbnails from your website. All these photos are coming from the different, from this company called Sky Garden. They're selling phones, they're using Google search ads, and they are highly effective. You can see they are prominently being placed here on Google results, even before you say anything else. And there is also another company here also doing Google search ads. So go for Google search ads, because if I'm searching for Samsung Note and I see your ad, I'll definitely consider clicking on it and going to the website to purchase. Number 4 is add meta descriptions on your product pages. For example, for this brand Carrefour that is based in Kenya, I looked at this product. This is a juice blender by Ramtons, and I discovered they don't have description, the meta description, the description about this product. What are the benefits? How is it used? And using also keywords. So this is something that I've discovered that this website is not well optimized. And I can encourage you to use this tool called SEO Meta One Click that shows you whether each page under your product pages has a description or not. And when it is having a missing description, it shows you. Also, headlines are very important. You can see there are a number of missing headlines. They are very important to have, the headlines. And even Google looks at the author of the content and the publisher. All these are very, very important in improving the SEO value, what you call on-site SEO on your website. Fifthly is give people a reason to trust you. I like talking about this a lot. Reviews, ratings, awards, certification, testimonials, showcase them. Showcase them. And I have been saying this for a long time, that a lot of people already know what you sell. They can follow you on your social media, but you have not given them a reason to purchase from you. And the way you can give people a reason to buy from you is by adding the trust signals, the trust elements. If you compare these two brands, for example, I've just searched for laptops for sales in Nairobi, you can see one has a very high rating of 4.5 and 194 people have rated it. And even you can see some positive testimonials and comments. If you need a high-end laptop, this is a place to consider. So this is the first brand. The second brand has 0 reviews, 0 ratings. Definitely, I'll go for the first option without even thinking. I'll give you a case study of a company that we have supported in the e-commerce space. These are the challenges they had when we took them. They were spending money on ads, but with no tangible results. Number 2, they had a poorly designed website that was not driving sales. Number 4, the in-shop sales data was not utilized to guide their marketing strategy. So number 3. Number 4, poor customer experience with riders. And this is something I've also seen in many companies that are doing retail or e-commerce in Kenya. You could be selling the best product, but if your riders have a problem in terms of delivery, professionalism, and speed of delivery, it will affect your sales. So this is a problem that we had for this retail brand that I don't want to mention. And these are the solutions that we came up with for them. We designed a mobile-friendly website, very important, because we have seen in Kenya more than 80% of people who do any searches online or they do research online, they use their mobile devices. Secondly, we added product categories, or we looked at the different types of products they're selling and we categorized them and created categories for the different products. 3, we started analyzing sales data from the POS system. They have a system that they normally use to sell products. So we started analyzing the data to see which are the fast moving products, which are the most profitable products. And we started placing those products, especially the most profitable one, on the homepage of the website, but also promoting them more aggressively and bidding more higher for those keywords on Google search ads. The other thing that we also discovered, there were also products that were almost expiring. Now, because we are analyzing the sales data, we are able to see, this product is almost expiring. So we need to give discounts and to encourage people to buy it more. And number 4, we started using insights to sharpen the insights we are getting from the sales data to sharpen our ads targeting on Google Ads, which means, of course, we are now realizing where the people who are buying are coming from, what products they are buying, and which keywords they are using to buy. So, and now we were more sharper in our targeting on Google Ads. And then lastly, we started incentivizing customers who are buying online. I know you sell online, but I'm not motivated, I'm not convinced. So you can give me an incentive. It could be a discount or a reason to buy. You can give something special to a customer when they buy so that they can come back. So this is a conversation about retention, which is very key. And these were the results. Growth in site traffic, this company, the retail brand, who is our client, they have experienced massive site traffic and also more sales happening online. And as we can see from this chart that I picked, you can see 80% of their site traffic is now coming from Google. This is organic search, where people are searching for products and services, the products they sell, contributing 67% of all site traffic. And then you have paid search, the Google search ads, driving 12% of all the traffic on the website. You can see social media has only 8% contribution. And this 11% of direct traffic, these are people who are now typing the URL of the company and hitting enter. That is direct traffic. And of course, referral traffic, these are websites that mention this company, partners and other distributors who mention this brand. So I'd really encourage any one of us who is selling online, and to answer the question that was asked, if you are having a challenge, I'm sure you have taken some insights from this presentation that can help you be more efficient and more effective in your marketing strategy. And finally, I would encourage you to join our masterclass. We have now come up with what you call specialized courses or specialized masterclasses. Other than the general masterclass, which is available and suitable for someone who wants to learn the basics of digital marketing, we have now come up with specialized masterclasses. We have one for e-commerce strategy. We have one for data analytics that can help you drive business growth. We have now a specialized masterclass for SEO. We also have a specialized masterclass for Google Ads and another specialized masterclass for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So you can take any of these special masterclasses. The special masterclasses are costing 5,000 shillings, but the general masterclass is 10,000 shillings. That's where you cover everything. But now the special masterclass gives you a deeper dive into any of the topics that I have talked about. So I'd encourage you, and we are very keen to encourage you to join us, become a specialist in digital marketing. You can choose the area of specialization especially if you already have a fundamental understanding of digital marketing. You can now start delving deeper in one of these topics, and you can grow your business. You can grow your knowledge. You can also get case studies that we'll be sharing in our specialized masterclasses. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to answering more questions as you send them.